Hey guys, so I wanted to clarify a few things and just make sure you guys are fully equipped. Justin, you asked me for pricing on other packages like just web and stuff. So wanted to again clarify all the pricing, be super transparent so you guys can make an informed decision. I believe we went and I communicated, hey, it'd be good to go with Subsplash 1, which is all the things you see here. I know you've already seen this, but just to reiterate, it's good with the size of your church because once you add on the additives for messaging and live streaming, which because of the savings you have with dropping Resi, and then yes, the encoder will work great and perfectly fine with our live streaming, and then the messaging feature being such a value add for the discipleship component and just the community component for your church. It's going to be really good. So again, to be super transparent, again, keep this here, but this is our pricing. Here is the packages at the top, and so you can see it's billed monthly, billed annually, the exclusive discounts here. You can pause this to take a look and really gather in all the information here. Again, please don't share this with anyone else. But this is where you would be sitting if you go exclusive and you're billed monthly, or you can do annually, and it's actually even cheaper. It's done at $251. But with this, you get all of this, right? If we break it down and you go with the smaller package, you would only be getting, for example, the best thing you could do, because if you want the app and you want TV apps, is to go premium. And even with premium, we're looking, I mean, it's even more expensive. And especially with the additive, it's going to, it's purposely incentivized going with Subsplash 1 because we want churches to be well equipped with everything. And again, price-wise, it ends up being more if you add on Subsplash Live here, because you're going to need up to 500 or even up to 1,000 people for your church. Subsplash Live-wise, if you're going to do an additive, and then messaging, of course, that's another $65. So again, to be fully transparent, I think this is going to be the best range for you all. To speak to giving, because I think maybe the holdup is on the giving side, because again, with that exclusive guarantee, you're going to want to use our giving, right? And so this is the breakdown. Never showed a church this before, but Jay, I love you, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. As your volume goes up, so this is like over time, not just within a given month, I believe, but this is over time, your processing rates with the grow curve goes down. And so using a grow curve with an app and the grow curve without an app, you would use with an app. And so you guys process well over $10,000. So that's when you hit below. I know, Ben, you said you negotiated a price with Stripe. And so with us, it's even going to go down even further the more you process it. So you can pause this here to get a good idea. We compare it straight up with PayPal. Again, you can compare it with Planning Center as well. And so if money's the issue, I would love to get on a phone call to talk through some things. I know, Ben, you kind of crunched the math, and it ended up being an annual savings of quite a bit. And so just want to make sure that you guys totally understand the whole situation, and we serve you in the best way possible. But I do believe going with Subsplash 1 and having all the features here for that consolidated price, and then we integrate again with Planning Center. So live streaming is good, so that means the online church is not going to be disrupted, and it's going to flow really well. So let's talk soon. If not today, then tomorrow, or Justin, I know Ben said to reach out Monday. So yeah, we can just keep a chat going in this group text if you have any other questions.